Hey man, what it is to do, man? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, man. I'm talking fast. I'm about to get quick into it. You feel me? I'm out here doing this rap. You feel me? Hammy? Let me go playing. But no, I'm out here doing this rap today, man. See, come in the back. I already started. I can't see nothing, boy. That sun is killing me. I'm already black. Look, I'm already in the back. Feel me? I done de-bashed the front Hemi off. I done did the back too. Back here about to take the spoiler off. Hey, I always be slipping, bro. I gotta keep remembering to keep y'all posting, be making these videos, cause I just be want to get right through it. But I'm gonna do better with that though. That's why I turn this shit on. My life skin. No, I'm taking these taking the spoiler off right now. Yo, taking the spoiler off. 4 screws. Get into it. Getting deep into it. D-badge, charger gone. RT gone. They don't know what I got. I'm gonna keep it like that. So boys, I got the V6. Look, naked. On the other side, I still got the Hemi on. So yeah, this is the process. I ain't showing y'all how to rap. I'm just giving y'all little sneak peeks and little segments of how the process is going on my rap. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. I'm watching YouTube videos right now trying to do it. But guess what? I'm gonna do it myself though. It's gonna look right. It's gonna take time, but it's gonna look right. So look, I'm about to finish taking this spoiler off, and I'm gonna update your boy again. Yeah, that boy off. I had to fight with that thing now. Look at her. Looking like a flat booty white girl. I'm good. This don't look right. I gotta finish getting all this out. Let me tell you one thing. It's right here. This glue gone? Oh yeah. It knock them loose right here. Got them more ankle loose, but I gotta get all this. Rest this up, man. I gotta buy some more 3M tape to put it back down so it don't go nowhere. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now though. Gotta clean this up. Why this? I'm gonna be a YouTuber, right? Watch me. I hope I did that right. I know that joint looks sloppy as hell, but look. Anyway, that boy cleared off. Feel me? All that's gone. See where we at with it, man. I took the lights off. Got them dark tint, man. You can't see them anyway, but they right there. Just in case you can't see them, they right there. All 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 parts of them. She officially took it off. I gotta move that if I want to close it. I'm tripping. But boom. Sure, I can't really close this. I close this, then I can't be able to open it because the button right there. The release right there, so I gotta keep that open. All right, man. I think it's about time to start rapping. That's the only thing I need to take off. Oh, I need to take off the door handles next. Door handles. And then side mirror. I don't know. I don't even think it's worth it. But I might. I'll let y'all know. Tail lights off. About to do the door handles. I'm about to take a break, bro. I'm tired, bro. I might get back to this tomorrow. I know I said I was gonna record doing the rap, but then it got dark, and you can't see when it's dark, and I can't rap and film, and I ain't got no tripod. So, I've been rapping without y'all boy. But I'm turning on right now so y'all can see what it look like in the process. I got the purple done. Come show the proof. I got the purple done already. I ain't show y'all the design yet, but y'all gonna see the design when it's done. Got the purple done already, all back here. Y'all to do the bumper. I'm doing the wing pink, and it's all front half up here. I'm doing pink. Only thing that's pink right now, because it just started, is the other side of this door, and this one is this. So it's like day 3 on rapping. And it gotta be done before Saturday, and it's Thursday. I'm trying to get it done before Saturday because of the show, but it is Thursday right now. So I'm gonna get it done. I do not know yet. But yeah, this was just a little hurry up. Let y'all see where I'm at right quick between the video. Next time I probably come on, it'll probably be like when I'm done or very close to it. But yeah, that boy, stay tuned. Boy, listen here. This thing right here is a long, tedious process, man. Today's Saturday morning. I was supposed to be going to the show. I got that out last night, but I got aggravated last night. And once I aggravated, I ain't gonna be working right. So last night, Friday night, I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, me, I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning. My mom was helping me, and she went to sleep like 11:30, so I was out here thugging. Boy, this front looking mean, bro. I'm glad I chose the colors I chose. Boom. Back half done. That part right there for a little design I got coming. Gotta finish this off right quick. The whole front end, other than the mirrors, is done. Y'all see them purple lights on, but this pink hit. Got the split on. Oh, that boy check the jump from front. Yeah. That boy looking mean and tough. That splitter go hard. That jump help a lot. Got the little split on. Headlights on. Paint hitting. Wanna check me out? I finished this mirror off. A little bit at the bottom. And then design right here, got the roof. But I gotta take the whole headline out for that. And I ain't feel like doing that yet. Whole back. Got this bumper to do. And yeah, man, hopefully the next time I cut on this video camera is to tell y'all boy I'm done and give y'all the final little look at the whole finished operation. And it probably ain't gonna be till Sunday, bro, because I'm sleepy, bro. I put it all night. I'll probably sleep all day today and doing nothing, bro. And plus, I might have to work tonight, too. But, man, I'm too personal for that. But, look, I'm going to have this junk done by Sunday, for sure. No later. Be ready. Behind the scenes. Look how I got help with me. My mama doing a little bit of work. I did the whole car by myself. But
who you talking to? Who you lying to?
She, the YouTube people. She over here doing this small little bumper piece.
Who she lying to? Who he lying to?
And I'm doing the hard work. You see how I'm holding it? She's doing the easy work, so she says she can do something, you know, so she can contribute to it. It's hard work. Sitting down, holding it vinyl. Y'all know how tough this is.
Got a slacker.
I ain't slacking, hard work. Them construction people just be holding the sign saying slow and stop. That's the same thing. I should get paid the same.
No damn.
It's hard work.
No damn.
This hard work. We almost done with it. Whoa, almost dropped the camera.
Look at him. He can't even hold the camera.
Go this way. On the roof with it. My hard-working employee.
Do me a favor. Hold the door so I can lean back on it, let it roll.
Yeah, I'm done. I just gotta put my spoiler back on. And then I'm gonna run down on. Oh, the doors and the spoiler. I just gotta put the spoiler back on. Yes, sir. Today is the day, bro. She is done. She is finished. She is complete. I can finally show y'all boy the full shebang bang boogie. You feel me? Around this whole car, this whole wrap, man. She looks good, bro. I love this car, bro. I'm in love with this car now because of the wrap. I wasn't in love with it before, but that wrap throw that little on it. You feel me? But look, I'm about to show y'all boy the final product, bro. And if you skip to this part through the video, bro, you a hoe. For real. That's flam. Here we go. Oh yeah, boy. You like that. You see what I'm pulling up in now, boy. I'm sticking out like a sore thumb now, and I don't care, bro. Look, I love this car. Care less about what you think for real, bro. This junk is hard, bro, to go from the black and the red bumper to this right here. Hold on, let me get y'all that light. To this right here, I'm the real life Pinky for real, bro. This Pinky, no, I'm the real life Pinky, boy. That thing just look good, bro. Look, you gonna see me in traffic, bro. Heart to heart, I'm a war right past you, bro. No photos, man. Look, no paparazzi, bro. I'm really killing it, bro. Look at that, junk. Come on, man. Look at this. I'm doing it by myself. Well, not by myself. Shout out my mama. My mama helped me. But look,
Really by my man, look. Got it out the mud, the muscle. It is on for real in my house at the crib. And boy, this thing is looking good, man. Boy. Like, bro, who you know can rock a paint car like this? Please let me know. Tell me. Somebody let me know somebody else that can rock a paint car that's a dude. Nobody. I'm out here doing this for real, bro. I'm putting on, bro. Like, that boy really don't know, bro. And I'm really just getting started with it for real, bro. Follow the journey, boy. Like, comment, subscribe.